Alright guys, I just finished up, so let's see how it looks. Alright, so you can see it turned out pretty good. With some black paint, you'll be able to see it a little bit better. And then I'll put a light wood stain on it. So yep, that's how it looks. Alright guys, I'm back and I just sanded it down. But I realized I haven't put a edging around the board. So I'm going to use this bit you can see here. It'll just make a little like dent in, so it'll kind of curve, but then it'll have like a little flat spot. I don't know, should look good. I'm going to use this one. And yep. So here it is.